Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix threads not working. First of all, you can open the threads application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on it. And here you can now tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on help, and here you can just simply tap on report a problem, and here you can just simply tells the problem that you faced to threads app. The threads app is fulfilled to your problem, and if the problem is not solved, you can just simply go to the app store or play store and update the latest version of the threads app. After updating, the issue is 100% solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.